All right, let's get started with our day 4 review for NQ forecasting. Yesterday night, I uploaded the day for what I'm expecting, and I already told I was expecting to price either to go down and take this low out and then start moving higher, or either it keep going higher and we take out this high and then we look for a buy. Alright, we look for a buy. So one of those things didn't happen. Market had different plan for us, I guess. So what happened, as I told you guys before, like I had worked 7 to 3, so I didn't get that much chance to open the charts and look into it. It was pretty interesting how the market keep going lower by disrespecting this fair value gap, which is daily slash 1 hour. So it at first it did respect, but it was London session where when we I don't trade usually. So you see how the New York Open is like straight up down in one candle. So when I saw this candle, the only one thing in my head is what's happening on 4 hour and daily. On the daily, it was going down. Even we had a neutral bullish candle, and this is the only spot until we go down here. I'm looking for to buy, right? But if you see on 4 hour, we started respecting. I don't think that's the 4 hour candle we had. No. So this was the 4 hour candle. This is already 4 p.m. It's saying whatever. Yeah, this is the 4 hour candle. See, it's already filled up all the gaps and anything. We don't have anything, so we have only one option, which is to go down. So on the 1 hour, even though we have this, which you can count as liquidity, but in the 4 hour we already fill this candle up. So I wasn't looking that one as liquidity at 11, because on 15 minutes when I saw on 15 minutes, this is my liquidity on 15 minutes, right? Because I wanted to see a gap fill up this level. Let me show you guys. So yeah, I wanted to see the gap to fill up this, touch down here, and then to go down for the day at least to take out one of the lows, like the previous day lows or something. And I wasn't like on my whatever I was expecting on yesterday. I was totally out of it for sure, because like how we disrespected this fair value gap, I was like, nah, hell no, we're not going up that easy, because we literally crashing to the downside, right? So on 15 minutes, when I saw, I marked down this candle, and my break was funny thing was my break was at 11:30. And when the candle this happened on 15 3 minutes, I guess. Yeah, so 3 minutes after taking out this low, see how choppy the price gets. I wasn't watching the chart, so I don't know what happened. So when I came back, I went on my break. I saw this on 3 minutes. I was like, if we're taking down this, I'm getting in, because that looks much cleaner than this one. Whatever happened this one, and we created kind of like a liquidity down here. So I was like, yeah, it's pretty sweet. So after that, when this candle closed, from the next candle, from here I entered my entry. Stop loss was here, and my target was this low, because that's pretty good closing. Even though we can go much lower. If you see, one of the previous daily lows are here, which is pretty closer than this. So I was like, okay, it's probably gonna crash. And a lot of people might ask, because in 1 hour this might look like a liquidity zone, because it was almost like 11:30, after 11:30 something. Yeah, see, it's almost like 11:45, this candle. But why I didn't see it as liquidity, as I already told you guys, because the 4 hour already pretty beautifully filled the gap, so we have nothing on 4 hour. So I'm not seeing the 1 hour gap as liquidity now. I was expecting like the price to just dump, but so I just entered here, stop loss here, and then I left. I went for work, and guess what? They just took out this liquidity and straight up went to drawdown. And the good thing was I didn't saw that. If I saw that, I might probably could have like closed it, but I didn't. I didn't saw it. The next time when I was watching the chart, like the price was here. I don't know, like here. So I was like, okay, we're going down. Yeah, that's it. Because there's nothing, like we literally disrespected this fair value gap. I was like, yeah, we pretty sure going down. So I put my stop loss in profit like here around in 1 minute, I guess. Yeah, here, because we all fill this gap pretty nicely. So I was like, yeah, I don't think so. We're going now, going up after this. But guess what? The market had always had a different plan than us, and the market just chopped around that area until now, I guess. It's still in the same zone. Yep. Yeah, that's it. We're still in the same zone, but the thing is, I secured my profit. Like, sometimes it's better to like not look into the chart, because if I was on the desk today, I would probably close that one in drawdown or something like that. I will do some stupid shit, which I didn't, because I was busy at work and the chart just played out, right? So I'll just keep these things into mind. I took this trade probably in three 150K Apex account, but the profit was pretty low, because like I took low risk, because my overall bias was bullish. And if you see, like, if you could, as you can see, like, it was a bearish trade because of the price action. Like, we didn't respecting the bullish fair value gap to go higher. So even though I was trading like a reversal of what I was expecting, I ended up took a pretty good trade. I feel like I was, if it was something like I took out of nowhere in the lower time frame, I was like, yeah, I fucked it up. But I was like constantly watching every candle on 4 hour and 1 hour to match on my lower time frame bias. So that's the reason I took this trade. And I loved how the 1 hour came in, filled it up. It's the exact place which like a 15 minutes kind of like took the liquidity and dropped. start dropping, and 3 minutes created an inverse fair value gap and start dropping. But yeah, it is what it is. End of the day with green, that's what matters. Cause the one of my account, I think, which I need 4,000 more, is expiring on 15th, I guess. So I'm trying to risk a little bit more, like 1,500 something, to get it done on 1 or 2 trade. Mm, Let's see what's the market plan for me. And I'm trying to be more cautious about that with that account because I don't have that much time and I don't want to pay again for that. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's it for today. I'll probably record the forecasting day 5 as tomorrow is Friday and I'm not gonna be home on the desk. I'm going out of town tomorrow, so I'll try to upgrade, like update, like when I'll be back at night. Uh, uh yeah. So let me see. So I'm going tomorrow in the morning. I don't think I'll be able to look at the chart, but I'll try my best. Uh, Probably not gonna take any trade tomorrow, depending on where my uh yeah. I'll do it anyway. I'll do the review anyway in the at night when I come back. Yeah, that's it. See you guys later.